To make machines that are 100% Deere, I think it starts with what doesn't change. And what doesn't change is that attention to detail that we've had for 34 years and the excellence in manufacturing. We don't have 5 or 6 different focus areas. It's excavators. Quality at the center of things here in Kernersville is first and foremost driven by the people.
The quality team here, they believe what they're doing. They believe that the product that we're making is the best, and they come in here every day and try to achieve that. Anytime I see a machine out in the real world at work here in North America, I take a huge sense of pride in knowing that that has been through QA, that my team has worked on it, that we know that machine's right and it's out there doing the work for the customer.
Excavators tend to be the quarterback of the fleet on a job site, so directly or indirectly, excavators will impact almost every other machine on a job. I think we are in a better position than we have ever been as a product line to listen and respond to customers' needs and adapt very, very quickly. When I think about a holistically Deere designed, developed, and built solution, coupled with the legacy we've built in the Americas through our Kernersville manufacturing facility and our knowledge of these markets, I think the future is going to be very bright.